Welcome students. Today our discussion is about Cannizzaro reaction. On the previous video of us is completed aldol condensation. Now it's time to discuss about one more named reaction that we call as a Cannizzaro reaction. Here is also in IIT as well as NEET level examination, the named reactions and their applications are very important one. Here, what are the keywords of the Cannizzaro reactions? The Cannizzaro reaction is a aldehyde without alpha hydrogen atom. Aldehyde without alpha hydrogen atom undergoes self oxidation and self reduction. What is the self oxidation and self reduction? What the reagent is required for that is a concentrated solution of sodium hydroxide or concentrated solution of the potassium hydroxide which acts as a base, or also sometimes it is given 50% of the NaOH solution. Aldehyde without alpha hydrogen atom undergoes self oxidation and self reduction in presence of concentrated base to form alcohol and here salts of carboxylic acid. Salts of carboxylic acid is the formed product. Aldehyde without alpha hydrogen atom undergoes self oxidation and the self reduction in presence of 50% of NaOH or KOH is known as a Cannizzaro reaction. Here, what is the general scenario of the self oxidation and self reduction is a here general scenario is a alkane. Alkane is an oxidation. What the formed one? Alcohol. Alcohol is again an oxidation. What the formed one? Carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds are the formed one. Again, carbonyl compounds is an oxidation to form what? Carboxylic acid. This is a general process of conversion, that is addition of oxygen is called as a oxidation. Alkane and oxidation to form alcohol. It may have the type different, primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. Again which the alcohol is again an oxidation to form carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compounds are aldehydes and ketone. Again carbonyl compounds and oxidation to form the end product in any oxidation process is a carboxylic acid. Now it's a discussion is about the carbonyl compound because we are considered here is a aldehyde. Carbonyl compound, what is the general opposite process is the carboxylic acid and reduction. Carboxylic acid and reduction to form carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compounds again on reduction to form alcohol. Alcohol is on reduction to form alkane. Depending on the strength of the reducing agent, from where to where it is reducing is the important one. Now, the carbonyl compounds gets converted into alcohol. Aldehyde is getting converted to alcohol. Aldehyde gets converted into alcohol. What this process is called? Reduction. And carbonyl compound is getting converted to carboxylic acid. Here is also carbonyl compound gets converted into salts of the carboxylic acid. That phenomenon is called oxidation. In any process, both oxidation as well as reduction both are taking place simultaneously. Hence this process is called what? Redox reaction. Redox. Redox stand for Red for reduction, and ox stands for the oxidation. Both are taking place simultaneously, hence it is called as a redox process. Now the definition: aldehyde without alpha hydrogen atom undergoes disproportionation reaction. This is also called as a disproportionation, self oxidation and self reduction. That phenomena is called as a disproportionation reaction. Under disproportionation reaction, one aldehyde gets converted into alcohol. That phenomena is a reduction, and aldehyde is getting converted into salt of the carboxylic acid. That is a oxidation. Aldehydes without alpha hydrogen atom undergoes disproportionation in presence of the concentrated base to form alcohols, and the salts of the carboxylic acid is known as a Cannizzaro reaction. Here let us take what are the key steps. Keys, yesterday and the previous class is also we discussed about what are the keys and how can we identify the given reaction. Is a first key is the aldehyde do not containing alpha hydrogen. First condition. Second condition is a base is given. The base is a concentrated NaOH solution or KOH solution, concentrated. If the dilute is given, that may goes via aldol condensation if the depending on the alpha hydrogen atom. And the next condition is the formed product is one is alcohol will form, another one is carboxylic acid is a formed one. Alcohol and carboxylic acid is the formed product in the reaction that we call as a disproportionation reaction. Now, by taking one simple example, how can we explain that the Cannizzaro reaction, and depending on the steps that we are considered the keywords. Very important one, previously also asked. HC double bond OH, that the name of the compound is called formaldehyde. Formaldehyde, common name, IUPAC name, only one carbon atom with all is called methanol. In presence of concentrated base is given, like sodium hydroxide is given. Here is only one carbon atom, functional group next carbon atom. If it is present, that we call alpha carbon. Alpha carbon carrying hydrogens are called as alpha hydrogen, but there is no alpha hydrogen. Hence, you just take the two molecules. Then what will happen? One is getting reduced, that is formed. One is a alcohol, that is methyl alcohol, are also called methanol. Another one is the salts of the carboxylic acid, the sodium hydroxide is given, hence the formed one is a Na. One is a methyl alcohol, another one is a sodium formate is a formed one. If it is followed by the hydrolysis, if it is placed with the H plus ion, then the formed one is a formic acid. Here aldehyde is getting converted to alcohol. Aldehyde to alcohol, that phenomena is a reduction. Again aldehyde is getting converted into carboxylic acid salt. That phenomena is called as oxidation. Hence this reaction, self oxidation and self reduction, that we call disproportionation reaction. Next, let us take another example for this one. Is another example. Here is a benzene molecule is there. Removal of the hydrogen from the benzene, that we call phenol. Here is a aldehyde group is present. The functional group next carbon is called as alpha carbon. Alpha carbon atom, the 4 bonds are completed. There is no alpha hydrogen atom. Under benzene carbaldehyde is also called as a benzaldehyde molecule. In the benzaldehyde molecule, if the 50% of sodium hydroxide is given, let us imagine. Here no alpha hydrogen and 50% strong base is given. That's what you just take the molecule. Hence here one molecule is getting converted into alcohol, benzyl alcohol. Benzene ring next carbon is called as a benzyl carbon, which carries alcohol, that we call as a benzyl alcohol. Another one is here is COONA. If the Na is not there, that we call benzoic acid. Removal of the hydrogen from any of the acid, that is called as OH, sodium benzoate. Next one. Another example under Cannizzaro reaction. Here is a furfural is given. Furfural. Here furfural, if the 50% solution of the potassium hydroxide is given, let us imagine. Here the functional group is there, the next carbon is called alpha carbon. Alpha carbon 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds are completed, there is no hydrogen. Hence, let us, here is a H plus is not given, that's what I am taking, here is a H plus. What will happen? One is furfuryl alcohol, that is CH2OH. Another one, furfuroic acid. Here is a COOH instead of Kr, instead of Na. If the hydrolysis given, that's what it forms furfuroic acid. What I want to tell here, by taking the two molecules of the aldehyde, one is getting converted into alcohol, another one is a carboxylic acid. Here is aldehyde group is there. The CHO become what? CH2OH. And the CHO become what? COONA. If the Na is given, if the H plus is given, that become the COOH. Here is also aldehyde group is given. 50% KOH. One become what? Alcohol. Another become what? Carboxylic acid. Like this, the identification key steps, what I said, there never be lack of alpha hydrogen atom. Condition 1 is fulfilled. Strong base is given. Condition 2 is fulfilled. One is alcohol, another one is the salts of the carboxylic acid is formed. Hence, it is called as a disproportionation reaction. Like this, a Cannizzaro reaction examples can be forwarded. Yeah, as far as the mechanism is concerned about this Cannizzaro reaction, previously asked question in IIT Advanced is this one. Let's take the formaldehyde is given. Formaldehyde and 50% of the sodium hydroxide, lack of the alpha hydrogen atom, that's what which undergoes a self oxidation and the self reduction. Reduced product is alcohol, oxidized product is a carboxylic acid, that is over. How, what is the pathway and what the mechanism that are taking place for the conversion, that we call as the mechanism of the reaction. What kind of the elementary reactions that are taking place in any chemical reaction, that we studied under mechanism point. Step 1 is first one molecule of the formaldehyde, where it undergoes nucleophilic addition reaction due to this base, and this oxane ion is a formed one. In the second step, the step is a very fast step which is instantaneously takes place. Now that the formed intermediate or oxane ion is undergoes a nucleophilic addition reaction with another molecule of the formaldehyde. This step is a rate determining step. In any reaction, the slow step only determines the rate of a reaction. How it is? The electrons are given inside. This hydrogen atom is moving along with this electron. Nothing but that we call as a hydride ion. Very, very important one. Hydride ion transfer. Next one. Here is a nucleophilic addition. Oxygen taken back the electron. The formed oxide ion accepted the proton from the carboxylic acid to form methyl alcohol and carboxylate ion. That is the mechanism of the reaction. Now, what is the kinetic data and the kinetic study of a Cannizzaro reaction? Here, the rate of any reaction directly proportional to the slow step of the reaction, that are the reactants. One is a formaldehyde, another is oxane ion. Let it be the equation number 1. Next one, the first step is a fast step as well as it is a equilibrium process. In any equilibrium, the equilibrium concentration constant is a Kc. Kc is equal to product of concentrations of the product by product of the concentrations of the reactants, solving for the numerator, then which is on cross multiplication. That is the equation number 2 is substituting in the equation number 1 in the place of this oxygen ion. Now rate is equal to K. formaldehyde, formaldehyde, formaldehyde square and OH minus ion is present. This is the rate equation. The equation in which the rate how it is depending on the concentrations of the reactants that we call as the rate expression. In that rate expression, the sum of the powers of the concentration terms in the rate equation is called as the order of a reaction. That is already there in the kinetics. Now, order with respect to the formaldehyde is a 2 and order with respect to the hydroxide ion is a 1, that is a base. The total order is a 3. Whereas the molecularity is a 2. Since the number of species taking part in the rate determining step is called as a molecularity. In this molecularity is concerned, the 2 molecules are participated. That's what it is called as a molecularity is a 2. Order with respect to formaldehyde is 2 and order with respect to OH minus ion of the base is a 1. The overall order is the Cannizzaro reaction is 3. Now here is some more examples for the Cannizzaro reaction which is asked in the state level and the national level entrance examinations. Here let this the carbon atom containing the 3 methyl groups is present. This is the functional group where the alpha carbon atom, no hydrogen atom. Without alpha hydrogen atom and the concentrated base followed by the H plus is given. The simply what we need to do, aldehyde must need to convert it into alcohol. Another aldehyde must need to convert it into whether if the H plus is not given, salts of the carboxylic acid. If the H plus is given, carboxylic acid simply. Now, which is asked previously, here alpha carbon atom is present as well as the alpha hydrogen atom is present. If the alpha hydrogen atom is present, that is passes via aldol mechanism. But if the concentrated base is given, due to more crowding at alpha position, this is the sp3 tetrahedral carbon atom is present. Here is also sp3 tetrahedral carbon atom is present. Due to more crowding at alpha position, which also passes via Cannizzaro mechanism. If the Cannizzaro is nothing but within 10 seconds, how can we identify? Aldol is getting converted, aldehyde become alcohol. Again aldehyde become what? Carboxylic acid. Next one, glyoxylic acid is given. Glyoxylic acid functional group. Here is a functional group. No alpha hydrogen atom. Here is aldehyde group is there. Aldehyde is getting converted into alcohol. Again aldehyde is getting converted into carboxylic acid. Like only our aim is whatever the aldehyde group is there which gets converted into, one is alcohol, another one is a carboxylic acid. These are the some examples for Cannizzaro reaction. Some more examples. Let's check here. The Cannizzaro reaction is of the following type. If only one type of the aldehyde is given, that we call intermolecular Cannizzaro reaction. Earlier case is over and the followed example. Now here is the aldehyde, benzaldehyde and formaldehyde. Lack of alpha hydrogen, the concentrated base is given. The Cannizzaro reaction that are taking place between two different aldehydes that we call as a crossed or mixed crossed Cannizzaro reaction. Always aromatic aldehyde gets reduced and aliphatic one is gets oxidized. Very important in the previous question. Aromatic, simply if you want to identify, smaller group is gets oxidized easily, and the formaldehyde is gets oxidized to get sodium formate, and the benzaldehyde is gets reduced to benzyl alcohol. The Cannizzaro reaction taking place between two different aldehydes without alpha hydrogen, hence it is called as a crossed Cannizzaro reaction. One is the previous question. Here chloral or the trichloroacetaldehyde is given and the strong base is given. Here it should follow Cannizzaro reaction. But what is happened here? Due to CCl3, Cl is the electron withdrawing group. 3 Cls are attached on the alpha carbon atom. That's what the CCl3 is a good leaving group, or it is electron withdrawer. Hence instead of getting disproportionation reaction, it forms chloroform CHCl3. And if the Cannizzaro reaction taking place within the molecule, that we call as the intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction. Here is a glyoxal is given. One should get oxidized, another should get reduced. This one is a OH group is nothing but it is reduced, and the end one is a oxidized. The same being keeping on the mind, here is the C double bond will become what? Reduced. What that? PH, CH, OH, and what the next one is a COOH. The phenyl group next carbon atom is gets reduced easily. Keeping that view in mind, here is also the Cannizzaro reaction taking place within the molecule. Hence it is called as an intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction. You just work on these two examples and post in our comment box and keep touch with me. If is there any such kind of the questions that are regards from the organic chemistry, please try to post in our comment box. Thank you.